Fried Greek yogurt with honey and lime zest. Makes 4 servings and takes 25 minutes to prepare. Crispy outside and creamy inside, a fun Brazilian twist on Greek yogurt. 500 grams of Greek yogurt, strained until thick. This is the creamy center of each fried portion. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. We will use it to coat the yogurt before the egg wash. 2 large eggs, whisked to an even egg wash for binding the coating. 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs. These create an extra crispy crust on the fried yogurt. 1 teaspoon of fine salt and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper to season the coating. 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil for frying. Use a neutral oil with a high smoke point. 4 tablespoons of honey and the zest of 1 lime to finish the dish with bright sweetness. Fresh mint leaves for garnish. Add a few sprigs to each plate. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Line a small tray with parchment paper and set it aside. Portion the yogurt into 4 even balls of about 125 grams each using 2 spoons. Keep them compact so they hold shape. Freeze the yogurt balls for 10 minutes to firm them up before breading. Prepare 3 shallow bowls. 1 with 1 cup of flour, 1 with 2 whisked eggs, and 1 with 1 cup of panko mixed with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Remove the yogurt balls from the freezer and dredge each one first in the flour, shaking off any excess. Then dip each ball into the egg wash, making sure it is fully coated. Press the egg-coated ball into the panko so the crumbs adhere well, creating an even crust. Transfer the breaded yogurt balls to the prepared tray and freeze again for 10 minutes to set the crust. Heat a shallow skillet over medium heat and add 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Heat until the oil reaches about 350 degrees Fahrenheit or becomes shimmering. Fry the yogurt balls 2 at a time for about 2 minutes per side until golden brown, turning gently with a slotted spoon. Transfer the fried balls to a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess oil for 30 seconds. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of honey over each portion and sprinkle lime zest. Garnish with fresh mint leaves. Serve immediately while warm. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Enjoy your fried Greek yogurt. Thank you for watching. Closing, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more recipes. That is fried Greek yogurt with honey and lime zest. If you love this recipe, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell to get notifications for new recipes.